At Big Dawg Dumpsters LLC, we redefine waste management with a commitment to excellence and reliability. Our mission is to provide top-tier dumpster rental services catering to your needs. Whether tackling a home renovation, clearing clutter, or managing a construction project, Big Dawg Dumpsters LLC is your trusted partner in efficient waste disposal. Say goodbye to waste worries, unleash the power of Big Dawg Dumpsters LLC for a hassle-free experience. Contact us at 743-244-3294 for streamlined solutions and unbeatable service. Our dedicated team is ready to assist you in selecting the ideal dumpster size and ensuring timely delivery to your location. At Big Dawg Dumpsters LLC, we prioritize customer satisfaction and offer competitive pricing to meet your budgetary needs. Discover the simplicity of waste management with us. Visit our website at bigdawgfl.com to explore our services, view our range of dumpsters, and access valuable resources. Big Dawg Dumpsters prices have never been more transparent and affordable. At the core of our business philosophy is a commitment to environmental responsibility. Big Dawg Dumpsters LLC is dedicated to eco-friendly practices, ensuring that your waste is disposed of in an environmentally conscious manner. We believe in positively impacting both our customers and the planet. Choose Big Dawg Dumpsters LLC for a seamless dumpster rental experience that combines efficiency, affordability, and genuine environmental concern.